gotta stop sitting in self-pity. I say that with love, but also with truth. Some of us are praying for breakthrough while clinging to hopelessness like it's a personality trait. You say you trust God, but then you doubt Him the moment life doesn't play out the way you planned. You panic. You replay every worst case scenario in your head. You say, I trust God with my life, but deep down, you're still trying to control the outcome. Let me tell you something. God does not need your backup plan. He needs your obedience, your full surrender. Don't get it twisted. If it's God's will, then yes, it's His will to bless you, to prosper you, to heal you, to walk with you. That's not something you have earned. That's who He is. That's His goodness, His nature. Jeremiah 12:11 says, "For I know the plan I have for you, declared the Lord. Plans to prosper you, not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future." That's a promise, not a maybe, not a wish, a promise. But you can't say you believe that, then walk around in defeat. God's not the one who gave up. You just stop agreeing with Him. You heard me. You stop agreeing with Him. Don't blame God or say that God is late. He's never late. He's always on time. But what are you doing? But you can't say you believe that and then walk around in defeat. God's not the one who gave up. You just stop agreeing with Him. Self-pity is a trap. It keeps you focused on what you lost instead of what God still wants for you, what He wants to still give you. Let it go. Stop scrolling past every blessing because you're too focused on your disappointments. Be as bold as a lion. This isn't about pretending everything is perfect. Believe you me, we're on this earth, right? We're not in heaven yet. It's about remembering who holds your future. You are still in the story. God's not done with you. So stop rehearsing the pain and start repeating the promise. He's with you. He's for you, and He's not going anywhere. Are you? Make sure that you like this video. Put in the comments below. Who did you share this with? Give me some kind of life story. But you know what? If you want to talk about Jesus, we could talk about Jesus. Oh, when I'm on tangent, yes, I did. But if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because as an HR executive and Christian, and everyone knows I put God first always, I'm here to not just talk about Jesus, but talk about what we can do as Christians as we are on this earth, and how we can plan and how we can do better, because prosperity is just around the corner. Healing is around the corner. Stop. Anxiety's gone. Worry is gone. Don't borrow worry from tomorrow. Let's focus on today. What are you working on today? See you in my next one. You are so blessed by the best.